Hi, my name's Aaron, and I want to tell you about the Ionize Me Max that I got a little while ago. Originally, I got it because it was recommended by the chiropractor when I was going through some problems with gout in my foot. He recommended the ionizing detox. I got it and I started doing it for that, and it helped my foot, and it also helped me feel more energetic in myself. Something else that we noticed is our family, our children pass around colds like children often do, sharing germs. When they would start getting the colds, we would give them a foot bath, and the next morning they would be better. It was helping us out through the cold season as well.